We are live. We are live, guys. What's good? What's good? Happy 1st of June. Sorry, I know I set the stream a bit early, but I did want to start at the same time as in 12:45. But we're here. Let me turn this on right here. What's good though, peoples? Hope everyone had a great weekend. Do you know what I'm saying? Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Yes. Okay, that's working. Great. Perfect. All right. So, what we got going on today? Let me turn this down. It's a bit loud, isn't it? All right. All right. What are we doing? Okay, so let's start with gold. How's everyone doing today? Who's in here? Say hi if you're in here. Say hi so I'm not talking to myself. I actually have a nice drink that I want to go and grab. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. I kind of want it now. Rosie in the house. What's up, girl? How was your weekend? How are you? Hope one is good. Hope one is amazing. You know? Have a look. Aila, how are you? I was just waiting for some people to come in before I get into the analysis. Good afternoon. Great weekend. Nothing better than London in the sun. I hear that. I'm with you on that one. Definitely with you on that one. 100% with you on that. All right, guys, let's get into it then. So gold opened with a gap. Gold actually gapped down this week. A decent little gap down too. Little 200 pip gap down. We continued bearish into London session. We actually filled the gap pretty quick, so filled the gap during Asian session and then continued down into this 4-hour support. And now I'm looking to see if price is holding above 4,500, or like 44.95, which is this 4-hour support, which it seems to be. Only thing is, we still have a bearish structure. We still have bearish structure. No, look, we still got bearish structure. We haven't really broken up yet. Ashley yesterday did call a really good head and shoulders pattern in the Discord. But let me show that. Let me show this. This was a really nice head and shoulders that played out very well. I don't think it quite got down to full TP, but it was a nice drop. All right, so yeah, look, this was the neckline, 4522. This is on a 1 hour, and obviously it, you know, broke below. Didn't quite get to 4476, but it was still a nice little drop. So we could drop a bit further today for the move to play out. Not opposed to that. That could happen. Know what I mean? But yeah, that was a nice little idea there. Look, we came back up to the neckline earlier on during London, just well pre-London, back to the neckline and then continue dropping. So right now I'm in between buys and sells. If we hold above this support, I think we could head back up. If we actually break below, like re-break this 4-hour low, then we have a clean range back down for some sells. What's good though, Benny? Did you go to the parade? Go see the parade? It looked amazing. It looked amazing. My sister was there with her people, my uncle, my cousins. Yeah, it looked nuts. I've seen so many videos and stuff. Parade was crazy, proper vibes. Yes, nice. Hold on. One sec. Oh. Go. But yeah, let's see how gold plays out today. Let's see. Alright, let's look at NAS while we see gold going up. Alright, so daily on NAS, again, we made a new all-time high pretty early on into the day. Look, Asian session, in fact, straight up, broke the highs. Now we're having a little pullback. I really want to see some more buys on NAS. I really do. I'm glad we've got some structure though after a move up. After a push, my rule is always wait for a pullback before I get back in. Always. So, I mean, it kind of struggled this morning, little drop. So if we can create some type of support to push back up, I think we're up. Anyone take any trades this morning? You said I'm still lagging, to be honest. It was a whole day thing. Yeah, man, it was. And do you know what I really love about that parade? Like, people are saying England is divided, but England is like the most multicultural place on earth. And seeing all the people at that parade, it united the kingdom. There were people from all types of backgrounds, every race, every color, every nationality, all together in one place just celebrating. Do you know what I'm saying? It was a vibe. It looked like proper vibes, and I love that. You know what I mean? Our brother's from South London, and even he was there. Even he was there. That's you know, all the way in North London. It looked like a street party, didn't it? Didn't it? Dr. John, how are you? Dr. John, how are you this fine morning? Afternoon, sorry. We're just waiting on gold right here. Good evening. Today's bullish. I would love to see buys from here. I'm in two minds though. If this 4 hour candle can give us a good push before it closes over the next hour and the daily flips bullish, I'm definitely looking for some buys. Yes. I want the buys up. %. But if we break below this 4 hour support and re-break the low, I think we're going to get a bit more of a pullback. Oh, do you know what? I like this structure that we're getting right here, you know. Sorry, I had to fix some shit. I like the structure that we're getting here, you know. We respected this support. We came down for this. We dropped a bit. We're pushing back up. So if we can... Did we tap Asian lows? Yeah, I think we can come back down. You know what? I'm actually thinking about getting into some sells. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I feel like the next 15 minutes candle is going to close as a bearish candle. We don't go by what we feel, you know. Feelings, we don't trade with feelings. We trade with high probability setups. I actually wanted to get into a trade right now. I actually wanted to get into a trade right here. Like once I saw this pullback and we created a resistance and we closed back out of the Asian range, I actually wanted to take an entry right here, but like right here. I love this to come back down, but I didn't. If it pulls back up a bit, I'm gonna get in. If it comes back to 45.05, if it just yeets back up a bit, I'm looking to get into some sells, guys. All right, we got the little pullback. I want to pull back a bit more. This is good. If it gives me a bit more of a top wick than reflips, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. Oh, yep. All right, come on now. Flip back. Back down, waiting for the reflip. Sorry guys. Yeah, I'm waiting, but I do want to see this candle flip. I think it will happen towards the end of the candle. Look at this 15-minute, yeah? It's respected this previous high. It's respecting that previous high. I think it re-breaks this low and comes down. So as long as this 15 doesn't break this high, I'm still looking for buyers. I mean sells. I'm still looking for sells. All right, come on, reflip. Who else is looking to oh, you said it's gonna go up. It's going up. Why do you think so? Godfather Ghost. Did we break that high? Nope. We didn't break that high? What do you reckon? We going up? We going down? Olu said we're going down. Well, he said he thinks the 15 minutes gonna close bearish. Ghost thinks it's going up. Where are we going, guys? Maybe we don't get the sales just yet. We might have to wait until NY open, you know? Expecting a push down. Expecting a push down if price takes the previous 4-hour high. You think if price takes the previous high, it's going to push down? I think if it doesn't break that previous high, that it's going to push down. I don't want it to break that high. I want it to stay below. I want it to stay below. Probably heading for 54.24. Okay, you want the pullback. You want it to push up a bit. Oh, look at that. No. That happened so quick. Oh, man. If I'd set a sell stop, that would have... Wait, do I have time? If I had a sell stop, that would have slipped me. I wanted sells right here. Is it too late? Is it too late for me? It's too late for me. Gold left me, guys. Gold left me. Gold left me. Yeah. Go. So target. What's your target for the sells? Yeah, sorry. My target for the sells would be back down to like this support right here, because we failed to close below this area. But I mean, if it comes lower than this, then I'm expecting 4491. Please explain. Explain? What do you need me to explain? Sup, Jetta? You good? What do you want to know? I was looking for sells because the 4 hours bearish. We pushed into this 4 hour support. Price held. This current 4 hour slightly broke this low. It's pushed up, hasn't broken a high. We've got 42 minutes left. Structure wise, on the lower time frame, price is still very bearish. Still very bearish. Look, we've pushed back into the Asian range, and the candle that closed in right after that, we closed back out of the Asian range. So if we're going to continue this downtrend structure, you know, we've got the pullback, we've created the resistance. I would expect price to continue down if it's going to continue bearish. You know, it's going to continue creating bearish structure. So that's what I was leaning towards, especially with, you know, selling, keeping back out of the Asian range. The only thing that's making me think gold could be bullish, not bullish, but push back up, is the fact that we tested this 4 hour support, closed right on it, like above it, and we're getting a bit of a push up from here, but that's expected because it's a 4-hour level, you know. Oh, look, there we go. There we go. Gold is jumping around though. This is very weird price action right now, to be honest, but I like it. I do like these sells down. Who said 15 was gonna close bearish? Olu, you were right. Olu was right. Yeah, man, this is nice. This is nice. I do think we come down some. What's the 1 hour looking like? Look, 1 hour respected the highs. We're getting long wick rejections on the 1 hour time frame too. But if you've got a downtrend, where are the best places to take a trade? Where's the best place to get in? And you want to follow the trend. If you're following the trend, where's the best place to get in? I always say this. So the first place is after a pullback. As long as you've got bearish structure, place one, the best place is right here. That's the first good place. After price has pulled back, made a lower high, you want to get in from that lower high down to the low. If we get a breakout, the next place you want to get in is after the breakout. Closure below, down to make a new lower low. So this here, this was my lower high right here. Lower high, I wanted to get in here. Price come back down. Chris, how you doing, Chris? You good? Oh man, these sells were nice. These sells were nice. Took a loss on gold. That's all right. We bounced back. We bounced back. We bounced back. I think I know the trade you're talking about. Evan! We bounced back, man. Oh yeah, I saw the entry there. One thing, yeah, that I noticed with gold, or not even that I noticed, but look, we had this 30-minute candle here from Friday that didn't have a bottom wick. All good, man, all good. So yeah, we didn't have a bottom wick right here, so I was kind of anticipating that we were gonna come down and create this wick right here. So I wanted price to come here. I wanted price to come here. Look at this move. Oh damn. Did anyone take advantage of that? Did anyone take advantage of those sells right there? That was beautiful. That was actually beautiful. You know what? Since that move has played out, guys, let me just go get my drink real quick. Let me go get my drink. I'll be right back. But my second trade is almost at TP, but I missed the BTC sells. What's up, Sky? You good? Give me 2 seconds. I'm literally just gonna go get my water. Not my water. I made this banging drink this morning. Hold on. Hold on. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. You took the trade, Olua? Yes, yes. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. This was a nice move, man. It was a nice move. I looked away for 1 second and price just dropped. That was crazy. That was crazy. Oh, this drink, guys? Oh my god. I'm about to start selling drinks, honestly. About to do a stream drink of the day. So good. What's in it? Mint, ginger, and lime juice. So I had to boil some water, put the fresh mint leaves and the ginger in a little jug, pour the hot water on it, you know, mash it down a bit, release the flavors, and then add the lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice at the end. Oof. I want it ice cold though. It's not ice cold yet, but it's nice. No sugar, honey. I used honey. I used some honey. I did forget the honey actually, yeah. So good. So when the price drops, is that when we should buy? Are you talking about NAS or gold? But NAS sells? We're on the NAS sells. Oh yeah, NAS does look quite bearish right now. Sounds like ginger tea. It tastes, if it wasn't for the mint, I would say yeah. But the mint gives it a nice little refreshing. You like the buys? I kind of do like the NAS buys, you know. I do. I think we're just creating structure on NAS. For any? No. So if you're gonna look for buys, Jatta. No, if I'm looking for buys, I need to have a bullish structure first, and then I need price to be going in my direction. So if I don't get like a retest of a support, why is this? That's random. So if I wanted to take buys on NAS, I need to see like a retest down here. This is quite a strong support on a 30-minute. Multiple retests. We had strong pushes up from here twice today. Not today, yesterday, Friday. Push up, and then you know, we started to push up. So I would love to see it come down, retest. If it holds here, then a push up. So maybe the drop first, then the buys, or price would have to create a support. So I mean, if it held right here, I would think buys up. You know what I'm saying? But it's not doing that. It's actually coming back down. So I need more information. But just because NAS is bullish, that's why I'd be looking for buyers, you know. I see gold sells too. So I actually missed my entry. I would have been in and out of gold already, which is quite annoying. I actually missed my entry. So this is the trade I was looking for. Once this candle closed like this, I said I want to wait for gold open and push down. I said I'm going to wait for gold to come back up to my entry. It shot up and then it just dropped. It just pushed. So I couldn't even catch it. But I was looking for, this is all I was looking for. I was literally, I was just waiting for price to come back up, and it came back like that. It's quite annoying actually. It's quite annoying, but I think some people in the chat caught it. Like, I looked away for 1 second, and price just dropped. Literally a second. You said you're awesome. Thank you. Rich Raphael, I missed the buy scalp right now. Trying to come into the live. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is literally the trade that I wanted. It's a little 70 pip stop loss, and it was just based on, what did I have on the chart? It was just based on, I should leave it. No, I'm not gonna leave it up. I'm gonna draw it again. So this was my example. We've got downtrend structure. This is the same drawing I do every time. If I'm looking for sells, I want to take sells from a lower high or a breakout. All right, Rich Ref. So this is the, for me, this is the best place to take some sells in a downtrend or downtrend structure. Not even a whole downtrend, just downtrend structure. From a lower high down to the lows, and then if we break the lows to make lower lows, that's the next place. So trend continuation, breakout. How much money do you think I should start with? Gold sales in play, liquidity hunt active. I think you should maybe start with like $100. If this is your first time putting real money in, start with something. Start with something you can afford to lose. Start very, very low. See how you feel like reacting to price action. See how you feel actually losing money. Because you will lose money when you first start off. And then you figure out your risk tolerance, you know, how you manage your risk in general. And then start to build. Then you can add, once you get a bit more consistent and you get over losing that money, then grow. Do you know what I mean? But always start low and then work your way up. That drink was amazing. Oh my god, got a little bit left. I actually don't want to share it. You said don't start with the funded. You know what? I'm working with someone that had a funded account. And she requested a payout today. Started with she requested a payout and they declined her payout. And the reason was apparently they breached the account. But they won't tell her what the breach was. Guys, be very careful what company you're using. It's crazy. I wish I had you as a teacher years ago. Man. I wish I had a teacher too. Trust me, it would have sped up the process. I would have lost a lot less money. But yeah, come to the Discord. See, Jatta, are you in the Discord? Yeah, if you're not in the Discord, you should definitely join. Nice in there, man. It's very chill vibes. I'm actually working on a I'm working on. Oh, you are in the Discord? What's your name on the Discord? I don't see you in there. What's your name on there? What's your Discord name? I feel like I know everyone that's in the Discord. 400 odd people. It's not the same name as your YouTube name. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. It's so chilled in there. You don't see how chilled it is in there? Ask questions if you're not sure. Send charts. Yo, I know how it is. I know how it is. I've been in so many groups that I haven't spoken to anyone. Like, I don't want to speak. I don't want to send charts. But this, and I'm not being biased, but this is a group where I feel like it's genuinely supportive. I don't even know my name. I don't know it either in there. But yeah, no, come through. If you have any questions, you know, always ask me. I never message first, by the way. There's some really dodgy people in there. Really dodgy. I get spammed. People use my name, obviously, because it's my Discord. So I get a lot of fake accounts, so. But my account has all my links on it. So that's how you can tell it's me. I think it does. I'm sure it does. Edit profile. Let me see. What's my profile? It does not. Ooh. I can add widgets. Oh, look at this. This is fun. Ash, what's good? What's goody? Games I like, games in rotation. Crazy. It's the same? Okay. Yeah, man, come through. How long have you been trading? Ash, you see your your Head and Shoulders is playing out nicely. Hey. Oh, there you go. I see you. Alright, so with the Discords, best thing to do is message in the current session, basically. So if we're in NY session now, message in the NY session channel. If you're in London session, message then. That way it's just easier to track what's going on the charts and like review for the week. So yeah, that's how we do it. I see you though. But yeah, if you have any questions, you know, pop it in the Discord. You'll always get an answer. You always get some feedback. People share their ideas. Join the Discord. Come through. You know, I'll always I want to say I'll call it out. That sounds crazy, but I feel like the Discord is very, very accountable. The thing with accountability, yeah, is it relies on people being honest with everyone and themselves. Do you know what I'm saying? Not a lot of people like to talk about taking losses, but people will always talk about taking wins. Do you know what I'm saying? So you have to be able to say, you know what? I've made this mistake. No one's going to make fun of you. Everyone's been there. No one's going to make fun. And you'll get a lot of advice. I see it played out partially. We are finally there. 2 trades today. 1 win, 1 loss. Nice. Well done, Chris. Well done. I stepped away, fam. You said, yeah, on sales for gold. I would like sales on gold. Yeah. I've been looking for sales on gold since, well, yeah, since I missed that trade. Literally. Yeah. Yeah, this is the trade that I wanted right here for now. I even drew a whole thing out, Sky. Damn, you missed everything. That's crazy. That's crazy. I had a little diagram and everything. The coffee took me. You got. Discord is good, chat, especially for new traders. Yeah. I don't drink that shit. Do you know what? I stopped drinking coffee. I used to drink coffee, and I was like, why? So that's why I'm leaning into these very healthy drinks now. And look, when's the last time I yawned on stream? I stopped drinking coffee. I don't even yawn no more. I don't even yawn on the stream like that no more. I'd be drinking a coffee early, and then after a while, I'm literally yawning every 2 minutes. I played myself today because a new Dunkin' just opened by me. Okay, you was out there treating yourself. I drink ginger tea daily. Do you know what? I'm a fan of mint tea. I used to drink mint tea every day. I really like herbal teas. We don't call it herbal. But I like herbal teas. Mint teas. You have lemon and ginger, that's pretty good. But I only drink lemon and ginger when I'm sick. Like that, for me, that I associate that with being ill. Ginger's got a nice little kick. Mint is the best. Yes, love mint. Fresh mint. I've got this store very close to me that gives me a nice like bushel of mint for less than £1. In fact, it's like two for £1.50. I think it's very cheap. So I've just been drinking that all week. I'm gonna go get some more today actually. Need some more. Damn, look. Gold came back up a bit. Boyfriend's Jamaican. He says ginger tea kill off the sickness before it comes. I'm telling you, it's a thing. It's a thing that we do. Ginger tea is when you're sick. Like, it's not even a joke. That's it. So I don't drink it on a regular, but I drink it like if I'm not feeling good. That is so Jamaican, for real. That is so Jamaican. On gold, it's interesting how price came very close to the daily low but didn't break it. It was only a pip off. It was a pip off. Oh yes, look at that. It did, didn't it? It really did. Really did. I thank God I'm seeing results now. Well done, Chris. And also, one thing I learned from Mickey is psychology at first. I used to find it difficult to handle losses, but for now is a normal thing to me. Good. Listen, losses are part of the game. Don't let the loss like rule your whole day. You know what I mean? Take the loss, move on. That's it. On to the next. You think when market opens we might re-break the low? Where are you from? I'm from London by way of Jamaica. I love the patois, but I don't know how to speak it. It's like broken English. Just listen to some Jamaican music, that's it. Just sing along with Jamaican music and you're singing patois, that's it. Just start with hello. Just start with a little wagwan. Look at wagwan. And you're halfway there. Family is from last? Yes. Yeah. All my family are Jamaican. Both sides. Both grandparents. All my grandparents born there, yeah. Like Q Banks. I think Q Banks was born there. I think he was born in Jamaica and then migrated to the US, I think. I don't want to say I know that for sure, but I feel like he's from out there. I think so. Alright, how long we got till 10 minutes left until the new hour opens. And we actually have some news today as well. Manufacturing PMIs. Cool. That's cool. Second best in music. Second best? Who's the first best? What news is today? What news means today? We got oh, what does it mean? It's PMIs is, what does it stand for? Purchasing Managers Index. Purchasing Managers Index. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So it just looks at how well the economy is doing. Any PMIs is literally like how well the economy is doing. So results over 50 are good for the economy. Less than 50 is not great for the economy. So that should mean If the numbers come out above 53, we should see some more gold sells. If it comes out below but still over 50, I believe it's not bad, but it's still a miss. I don't think we get like super high impact news. Yeah. Afrobeats is number 1. Do you know what? I don't mind Afrobeats. I can't listen to Afrobeats all night though. I have to listen to like just a little bit and mix it up. But I can't listen to Jamaican music all night. I need a little break, you know what I mean? I have to listen to a blend of music. If Nas breaks trend lines, sell for sure. Currently still buy trend. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I still think Nas looks good, like going up. You know what I mean? I don't have. Right, let's see what Iran really wants to make a deal, and it will be a good one for the US and those that are with us. Like, he keeps speaking for them. He's speaking for them, but they just keep saying, what are you talking about? They keep saying, what are you talking about? Iran ensured Japan ships passage via Hormuz with greater ease. Like, so the ceasefire is unequivocally a ceasefire on all fronts, including in Lebanon. The US and Israel are responsible for the consequences. So I read over the weekend that Israel, the IDF, dropped like 150 bombs on Lebanon. Like, I don't understand how there's a ceasefire, but they're still being aggressive. They're still attacking. Oh, so they're at an impasse, but Iran really wants to make a good deal. 7 hours ago he said that. Okay, so this is more recent. The comments on here are hilarious. Yep, Netanyahu ordered attacks on targets in the southern suburbs of Beirut. Of course he did. Of course he did. I can't even read any more of this news. It's ridiculous. Actually ridiculous. Where are we going now? Where are we going? I can still see the sells, especially if this closes weak bullish. You use Fibonacci. That is Miss Gold Pippin right there. Miss Gold Pippin is the fib queen. Why? What needs a fib? What? I use fib. Tell a lie. I use fibs to look at especially to get levels. I have one on gold close to entry. Ooh, what time frame? What time frame? What time frame? Don't say like 5 minute. Give me a decent 5 frame. Looking at what we looking at? The 1 hour. Okay, I can work with that. Like this. To be fair, if I'd thrown this on earlier, it actually retested this 23, which is really nice. Is this how you have your thing? Where do you put your 1? What price is your high point? Oh, your settings are different. What prices do you have? Me per now, I'm bullish. I know you're bullish, Dr. John. Oh, I thought I heard someone at my door. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. You got the high at 4,600. Oh, you use the Wicks. You use the Wicks. Shit, hold on. Because this woman is beating down my door. 1 sec. I heard you, lady. Alright, we in this. Sorry, I'm back. Nice trend line. Soon break for sales. It's going down. Alright. We still getting in at 928? He said, of course. What about me? Hey, this is your strategy. I ain't doing nothing at 928. I can't call nothing at 928. I wish I could. I mean, I like the idea. You mean am I jumping in? Let me see what it looks like at 920. Let me see what it looks like at 920 or 220 for me. Let me see. Let me see. Hop on sales for gold. I actually do prefer gold sales. Look, with this continuation pattern too, I actually really like the look of this. Why does my... There you go, Chris. I don't know what happened that first time. I'm gonna delete this one because this one looks crazy. But this one looks good. I see the sales you got, the buys you got on GBP AUD. Nice. Yeah, I need to see the support broken though. I need to see the support broken. It's not driving down, is it? I need it to drive down. Break below. It's a very nice continuation pattern here. Very, very nice. Look. Oof. Wait. What you talking? We barely... If this... Yeah, we need a bottom wick for this other 4-hour time frame. So yeah, I think we get a nice I think we flip bearish and drive down. So yeah, I'm here for it. You're in on Nas already. Already? I like the sells. I do. Especially since gold is driving down too. We're coming back for this bottom wick right here though. Give me 1 second. Let me just read this. That H4 continuation is right on that zone we pushed up from though. It is. And you know I don't like selling into a support, so I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling, to be fair. I'm not trying to rush nothing. Not trying to rush nothing. I was earlier looking to see if 4500 was gonna 4500 was holding. So I'm not bothered either way. Like, I would like to see if this area holds. I'm anticipating a push up. If the 4-hour support holds. If it breaks, all I need to do is see a wick fill. I think we break the lower bit, but maybe still come back up. But this, I'm not going on any type of war news. And then we got news as well in 50 minutes as well. So, yo, were you surprised at how much gold pushed on Friday? I almost thought it would tap 4600. I mean, it pretty much got there. I'm surprised it didn't just, you know what I mean, just tap it. 4595 is crazy close. Crazy close. It might as well have just got there. But on the other side, I'm not surprised. So gold has been playing within this daily and 4-hour range. So between 45.70, which was my buy target on Friday. I believe it was my buy target on Friday. Where's it at? Oh, that's Monday, 1st of June. Yeah, so literally I had 45.70 as my buy target on Friday. And that's just because it's this daily resistance. We pulled back. We failed to close above, pulled back. Even down here, I mean, we closed below the support and then closed back above. So it's kind of like a fake out. So I wasn't surprised when Friday, you know, broke Thursday's high and continued up. Gold, we going down, baby. But this is good. It needs to just play out this continuation pattern, and then like it could sweep the lows and then still pull back up anyway. But as long as it breaks this low, that's the continue. As long as it fills this wick, that's the continuation pattern. Like, done. After that, and this is very early on in the candle too, so I can imagine a pullback. Woo, we out. We out. Gone. Oh wait, is Nas dropping too? Oh, no wonder you got in early, Sweet Licks. Sky got in early for a reason. What made you get in early? Was it because it broke your trend line? Love it, love it, love it. I've got to see the price on my broker. Damn, gold. This feels newsish. There we go. There we go. There we go. It felt real news-like right there. Iran stops message exchange with the US in protest against Zionist crimes. Yes. Yes, good old Israel, boy. Good old Zionists. Well, they can't keep bombing Lebanon and then saying we're having a ceasefire or peace talks, but they're not involved in that. That was bound to happen, right? It was bound to happen. Ooh, look at that pullback. Jeez. Welcome to June. Who's this? What's this? Welcome. Look at gold. Jeez. Nas 2. Nah, I'm not in. I didn't expect it to happen like this, to be fair. I mean, I could see the pattern playing out, but I didn't find it. I didn't have an entry for it. To be honest. It being on that zone, I definitely didn't like. Sometimes gold comes at you faster. It does. Yeah, it was, yeah. So I was saying at the beginning of the stream that I was still bearish on gold as long as this current 4 hour didn't break this high, and that was the main reason I wanted sells here, because you know we were continuing downtrend structure, so it made sense. I wanted just for gold to come here at least, and then below here would be the breakout. So I'm gonna do it one more time, guys. One more time. One more again. But I'm looking for sells, and I have bearish structure. I want to get in as price makes the lower high to come down, or if I get a breakout like that. So that would have been right here. So price is, you know, started to make that lower high. I want to come back down to these lows right here. So now if we close below here, I kind of want to, this would be the breakout to maybe come further down. Does that make sense? That makes sense? That should make sense. Look, it might even look better like that. Yeah, look at that. Boom, boom. So you got this nice bearish structure. So now we've made a lower low in this like in this lower time frame structure. But we've had quite a push. So I don't even think I would want to take more sells here unless price pulls back. If I can get a pullback and then come down, yeah. Damn, look at that. Iranian officials demand immediate halt to Israeli operations in Gaza and Lebanon. Israel also demands full Israeli withdrawal from occupied areas in Lebanon before talks resume. That makes sense. Iran and resistant front reportedly resolved to fully block the Strait of Hormuz. Okay, so we're back. We're back to messing with the oil prices. All right, so let's see DXY. Yep, DXY had a pump. Let's check out, and oil had a little pump. Cool. That makes sense, right, guys? That makes sense. Jeez. Wait, I want this one. I want this one. That is some crazy work. There will be no talks until Iran's demands on cessation of Israeli operations in Lebanon and Gaza are met. Like, what did they think they was going to be able to do? Just keep bombing the hell out of their people? Wild work. Man, I should have got more ice. Should have got more ice. My lovely drink. You're in drawdown on gold right now. Wait, how low did you get in? Entered when it broke that demand on your screen. Looking for market open entry. What price was that, Sky? Like, I don't think I like the idea. I don't know where I would have gotten in. Like, my entry should have been up here from earlier, and down here is just not. It's not ideal. There's nowhere down here for me that's super ideal. So I'll need a bit of a pullback before I get in again. Just a little some. Damn. Should be up in some good profits now. What a drop. Wow. Wow. Yo, gold left the building. Come on, man. Damn. Give us some. Sky got hers, boy. Someone did message me. What are you sorry for? You got rent to pay the first. It's all good. It's all good. Like, I actually called a really good entry earlier. I just didn't catch it. Like, when I say gold was jumping, I don't know if it was what time was it? I say 1ish. I don't know if it was trading view jumping or if it was gold in general, because I turned away and gold had just like literally skipped. Like, some of these 5-minute candles were moving crazy. Yeah. I wanted the sells around here. It's all good. It's all good. You know what I mean? It's all good. But I did say this 4-hour here. Do you know what? I ain't even surprised, for real, because this 4-hour had no bottom wick. This 4-hour had no bottom wick, so like barely had a bottom wick, so it was bound to create that bottom wick. Do you know what I mean? And it just, yeah, it really flipped and drove down. So yeah, I'm not surprised for the sells at all. The IC markets candle, the IC markets H4, it didn't have a top wick. I mean, it didn't have a bottom wick. Let me show you. Let me see if I can I do this? You got out too early. I know, man. I know you did. You did. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. What time was it? What time did I look at it? You're about to see 2 Mickeys. I'm gonna find it. It was right before. Can't I find it? Wasn't that long ago? Was it that long ago? Must have been that long ago. Wasn't that early? Well, let me see. Ah, here we go. I'll be over here yapping. I'm yappity yapping. Look at this. Hold on. Alright, so right here. See, look. This 4 hour, no bottom wick. What was I saying? Hold on, let me see what I was even talking about. I talk so much I'll be forgetting. Let me see. Wait. What you talking? We barely. If this, yeah, we need a bottom wick for this other 4 hour time frame. So yeah, I think we get a nice I think we flip bearish. Oh, you can barely hear that. And sorry, look, we'll hear it again. Nice. We're gonna hear it again, goddamn. Look. Wait. What you talking? We barely. If this, yeah, we need a bottom wick for this other 4 hour time frame. So yeah, I think we get a nice I think we flip bearish and drive down. So yeah, I'm here for it. You see that? Sorry, that was loud. You see that? That's what I was talking about, guys. Damn, you said you totally forgot. In on sales. And he said, me too. Oh, you mean for Naz though? What did you take, Benny? Oh, you took gold sales. I think Naz might. Oof. You said you wanted buys from that Naz support, so I left it alone. I did want buys from here. I did say that. I was saying in order for me to take buys, I wanted Naz to pull back, hold at. I wanted it to retest the support and then push up. I wasn't even paying attention like that, but yeah, this is literally like, it is kind of what I wanted, to be fair. Yo, what's going on in the markets today? What's goody? I did low-key want some buyers from down here, but the setup is still not there for me. I don't take just like retest and stuff. I would have still needed a and I would have needed more. Like retest, create a support, and then push up. Yeah. I like gold sells though, but I after a big move like this, I need to see a bit of a pullback. I need just a little bit of a retracement, and then I can get in. Then I could get in. How much did Nas move up from here? So from this support, 130 pips. 130 pips. And draw down for a sec. What on Nas? Eh. I'm still quite bullish on Nas. I don't know. This news is. I don't think it's gonna change the trend, but I don't know. I don't know. The 1 hour trend line. Oh, shoot, I left on the wrong screen. Oh, is that what it is for Nas? Oh, because it's where did you have that trend line? Because it just broke the trend line. Oh, do I have it at the wrong place? Ali, what's happening? Didn't even notice, but the M5 candle on gold was 300 plus pips on the fall. Just a 5 minute? Damn. I'm good. How are you? How are you? Wow. Damn, I thought I was on a no yawning streak. Reset. Alright, we got news in 25 minutes. Let's see what gold says. What happens for this news? Maybe retest the trend line, then sell off. What for nasty Nas? Where do you have your trend line though? Sky, you gotta join the Discord, man, so I can see your charts. I can see what you're talking about. It's easier to like just to look at people's charts. So, oh, Benny, where's your stop loss? You're out. Damn, look at Nas. Yeet. Yeet. Shit, damn. Yeah. I don't know, man. I like buys, man. I like the buys for Nas. Let's see if it engulfs this previous 30 minute. It tapped the area that I wanted perfectly. I just don't take these kind of retest entries. That's my thing. I don't take retest entries. If I did, I need to start looking at what I'm actually missing when I don't take these type of entries here, because I definitely call some really good places. Retesting Asian lows. Yes, it is. Oh, let me leave them up. Let's see. All right, where we going? Where we going? Damn. Gold pushing up. See what Nas does. You know they be moving alike-ish. Alike-ish. Bro. Activate other fronts, including the Bab el Mandeb Strait. What is that? What's it called? The Bab. Yeah, it's another chokehold. Ah, what does this mean? Hold on. Hold on. About to Google. What does this mean? What does it mean though? Did this just translate this whole page? Iran could open a new front if attacks are carried out on its territory or islands. Citing da. Be careful. Oh. They said Iran is prepared to escalate the situation. Jeez. So Yemen's Iran-backed Houthis had previously attacked ships near the Bab el Mandeb Strait. Oh, they're cooked. They are cooked. What we have today, buy or sell. It's reversing. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look good, man. Will, what's happening? Oh yeah, man. You know how it goes. War news, baby. Look, all this great war news right here. This is where it started. Do you know what? This wasn't even that bad. Right here is where it kicked off. Iran are protesting Zionist crimes. And then we just fell out the sky. Literally, look. 210 on the dot. 5-minute candle. 300 odd pips. Nearly 300 pips. Right here. Jeez. Crazy work. We had one person catch the cells nice and early. Well done you. Well done to you. Remember, it's Monday, trend day. What's trend day? Market trends. You think today sets the trend? Another reason I was looking at sells today was because we'd actually pushed away from this daily resistance. Do you know what I'm saying? Like we had I think there was a very high chance that we were going to start pushing up from here, especially after respecting these lows down here. These lows here, like pushing up from a daily support, yeah, but then closing below this daily resistance. I was like, okay, maybe we're still gonna stay bearish because we are making like lower lows. And this trend here, this little minor trend within the overall trend is bearish. So we could make, you know, lower lows and then higher lows and da da da. So I'm not opposed to more sells. But yeah, if we respected this 4 hour support, I would expect to go to push back up. But that's how it goes. That thing. Ooh, that's a great email to get. To stay close. Where's my little thing? All right, guys, we're still going down. We're heading down some more. Bum, bum, bum. Nastiness. Where we at, guys? Where we at? Where we at? 10 minutes till news. Just under 12 minutes. If we get a continuation pattern here, I would love the sells for news as well. I'd actually, that's where I'll probably be looking at sells. So if this candle closes weak bullish, then yeah, I'd want sells. I'd want this. This is what I'd want. And I'd be looking at, oh, it's a big drop. Let's go at a big push. So maybe, you know, to down here. Down to this support, you know, and if it keeps on going, then down to this 4-hour support down here. Damn. See, gold's doing that thing again where it's just jumping. It's just jumping. M15 continuation pattern. Getting in again. This don't look bad, you know. I can't take it on the 15-minute though. It's just not my vibe. I love that for you though. Stop losses are huge. 200 pippers. It's a bit too big for me, you know. It's a little bit too big. It's a little too big. Great, I'm still in. Yes. Tell me you have stop losses sometimes though, Sky. You don't always like trade without a stop loss, yeah. You just, this is just like, it's for certain strategies, right? I hope, because you'd be wild if you had no stop losses all the time. This market is very slappable. I don't favor sells. The news may be used to clear those going short. Okay, Eric, welcome to the chat. So you think this is kind of like a fake out? This is a fake out. We're getting a reaction to the news and then we push back up. I don't know. I want to see how the news comes out. Like we've got PMIs in what, 1 minute? Not 1 minute, sorry, 8 minutes. I say 1 minute. Yeah, I want to see what that's saying. I want to sell, but I'm looking for price to pull back to NY open at 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. What time 8:30? Because it's US nearly 10 o'clock now. You going in on news? Nah. I think I'm not gonna catch a trade for a while. I don't think. I need to see a pullback. I'm waiting for some structure. I need to see gold come back up and then maybe sell, or create a support and then push back up. So I don't have anything just yet. Like my opportunity is left me already. Check my chart to see. Send me that link, Ali. I don't have it saved. Send me that link and I got you. There we go. There we go. Check it out. Yeah, Sky, if you could do something like this, that would be great. When you have like your fibs and stuff on. All I need is just this last part. Just like what Ali put in the chat. It depends on what you're trading on though. If you're trading from like your PC, you can do it. If not, then it's gonna be a bit tough. Saying now, check my chart. I want price to pull back to NY open. Okay. What time is it for you? Or does it adjust to my time? It does. So you want price to come back to 44.88 or 4,500 before you get in again? I don't know, Ali. No, I'm gonna leave that there. It's Ali's chart. Look at this thing go. Like, so where did I say I was looking at? I said down here, this would be like my, I don't think TP, but I'll definitely be out of most of my position by this support here. I trade zone to zone, guys. I trade so simple. I told you, trending, don't fret. Nah, listen, you see with me, if I miss my entry, if I miss my best entry, I cannot just jump in somewhere else. Like, my entries are so, like, it is what it is. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is where I wanted to get in, right here. And I didn't even want it to come. I wasn't even expecting all the way down here. I literally just wanted to get out right here. This is all I was looking for was like 140 pips today. But I love this breakout. But I couldn't take sells. Like a typical breakout, I'd wait for a closure below and then get in. Kind of like the entry that Benny took earlier. But I would have needed a top wick first. I need a top wick first. It gave a decent top wick, broke, came down. So that probably was the move right there. Probably was the move. What I see, clear bearish market structure after recent high, price formed consolidation range around 4,500. The zone marked by your red arrow acted as resistance. Red arrow. The zone marked by your red arrow acted as resistance. A strong bearish candle. Do you have a red? Oh, your red arrow. Okay. Acted as strong resistance. Okay. Broke below the support area around 4488, 4490, which is a bearish sign. This, yeah, breaking below this area was definitely bearish. Definitely bearish. Also, Do you know what? There's been a lot of people calling sells. Some people calling buys. It is what it is. News soon come. 100%. Hold on, let me make sure I'm on the right screen. I am. Ooh. Yo, Sky said we're gonna break those daily lows. She weren't lying. View your notes. What downward liquidity, false breakout, price smaller broker support, closes back above 44.90. This would weaken bearish outlook. Well, how did this news come out? Ooh, was that good numbers? 55.1. I think it only needed 53. 54, 55.1 there. So good numbers. Oh yeah, gold's going down. Gold's going down. Dum, dum. It's going down. Oh, and Nas too. Oh, look at that rejection. Look, this candle scares the shit out of me every time. Sky, you are so brave, girl. You are so brave. Cause look, this would have scared me out. What is this? We pushed all the way up 135 pips to then come back. Nah, I can't do it. I cannot. Alright, yeah, we're heading down some more. Benny, you still in your cell? This was a nice continuation pattern on the 15-minute, you know. This was real nice. Look at this hourly candle. Look at this thing. 51 pips. Scary money don't make money. Listen, I'm good. I am good. Good. I'm okay. That's the thing. I'm okay with like not taking trades every day. I'm okay with missing trades. Like I'm so okay with it. Like I don't know if you guys understand. Wait, and then my neighbor is outside cutting grass. It's so loud. Bear Mike, what's happening? How were the trades today? I missed a trade. I missed a banger of a trade today. This was my idea right here. This is all I wanted. See, I'm not even greedy, guys. I'm not even greedy. This is all I wanted. Just a measly 140 pips. That was it. That was it. Just this. Just this. But I missed my entry totally. Like, because gold was skipping up and down. It was skipping like crazy. Wait for your... If you are taking market entry, can find the stop loss first. Don't worry, the market has a lot of chances to participate. I am not worried, Mr. Mike. Trust me, I am not worried. Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Not worried at all, man. Oh, here we go. Got someone spamming the Discord again. Jeez. When I'm streaming, I don't get the notifications. Love it. Doesn't let me block these people, ban these people. They're getting slick with it now too. Getting slick with it. Spam. Bye, spammer. Oh, it's so funny. Right, did the music stop again? What happened to the music? Oh no, it's good. Night. Hello, how are you? I'm great. And yourself? How are you? How are you? So where are you trying to get out, Sky? Where are you trying to get out? I don't know, man. This support area right here, I need this to break if Naz is going to continue down. I don't like the way Naz is, this support is holding up on Naz right here. What's your TP? How far do you think it's going? Where's gold on your fib? On my fib. If I was going to do a fibbo, I think it's at the minus, you'll go based off gold. Oh, you are funny. Yo. Like, I don't use the top of the wick. I use where the candles close as my highs and lows. So it's... Damn, it's going to be a deep retracement. Yeah, this is it. This would be it. This, like, if I had a fib on, this is... So generally, with fibs, yeah, the deeper the pullback, the longer it takes to get to your target. That's usually what the numbers mean. So if you get smaller pullbacks, smaller retracements, you will get quicker pushes towards your TP. So 4372 for gold. Oh, that's deep. All the way down to this support and below. I mean, yeah, gold could keep going. But I mean, if I was just basing it on this 1 hour fib here, like my literal, it's literally come to like the minus 61.8, which is the furthest target I would have. That's just based off the fibs. Yeah. But in general, my overall sell target for the day is actually, where is it? June 1st. It was actually 4454. I got a TP 0.00 level. 4454. 4454. So this is actually I'm already at my TP. Yeah, look, my TP was like this daily support. I use daily support and resistance levels for targets. So yeah, this right here, it's already at my TP. Bam, we tap my TP. 44454. That's where I was expecting gold to come down to today. If it goes further, it's a bonus. But if it goes to my target, then great. Always have a buy and a sell target, which is always a daily support. So I'm already. So my buy target was 4570. So literally just back up to this resistance. Trust in my bias, trust it. Like, I think if we keep on breaking below, like, we have clean candles to the left, we have super clean. One thing with me is, like, I don't want to, it's not noise, but if whatever other people tell me, it's your decision whether to take that advice or not. You should always go with your own analysis, because I'm a scalper, so I'm not looking for long-term moves. I'm not looking for massive moves. I'm in and out of my trades within like 30 minutes, an hour and a half on a long day for me. So for me to have for me to try to call a huge move, I wouldn't even do it. You know what I mean? I wouldn't even do it, because that's not my my analysis is not based on that. My analysis is just based on like very low time frames. Like, even here, remember I said my first, if price is going to continue down, I'm just looking for 4428, this 30-minute support, and then the next one would be down here. I also use 4 hour. If there's a 4-hour level in between, then I'm using that. So I'm literally just trading zone to zone. That's it. That's it, a little zone to zonage. Yo, my neighbors cut their grass and now I'm sneezing. That's why I was gonna show her something. Yeah, I might call it here, guys. I might call it here. It's my time. How long have I been on? 2.5 hours? Ooh wee. Yeah. I'm gonna call it here. So for the rest of the day, or for like a couple more hours, I'm gonna keep an eye on gold. I just want to see some structure. If I want to take some sells, I just want to see a bit of a pullback. If it retests this broken support, great. If not, so either this or just a little bit more of a pullback and then down like that. Oh my god, they're drilling now. Great. Yeah, this is perfect timing. So yeah, this is what I want to see. Something like this for them more sells. Yeah, that's it really. If I don't know if gold pushes back up. But also we are pushing up from this daily support. Yeah man, shout me. If we respect this daily support here and we get a retracement, then I think we can get I think we can start to get a bit of a pullback up here for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? We can swing back up. So yeah, I've got my eye on it. We have a big news week as well, guys. We have a massive news week. We have Jolts tomorrow, which has been downgraded. Is it tomorrow? Did I make that up? I'm sure it's tomorrow. Yeah, Jolts tomorrow, 3 p.m. It's usually red folder news. We have ADP and services PMI on Wednesday. Nothing on Thursday apart from unemployment claims. And then the big old NFP on Friday. Do you know what I mean? I'll keep you posted later. Yes, yeah. I was just about to say, remember when H4 continuation plays out quick. Sometimes it retraces. I can see... I'm not opposed to gold pulling back. Yes, 100%. And especially from this 4-hour support. I mean, this daily support. We have nearly 3 hours left of this 4-hour candle. A lot can happen. A lot can happen. You on Discord? Yeah, get on Discord, man. Join, join us. We're in there. We in there. We're in the Discord. It's easy to communicate on there as well. Yeah, the link is somewhere. Let me see if I can pin it before I leave. Where you at, Discordage? Where you at? Where you at? Technical difficulties. What's my chat? Oh, open panel, that would help. Then there we go. Why'd you say, oh wow, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Why are we oh wowing? 100 pips in 1 minute. Oh, it push. Yeah, I don't trust gold, man. I don't trust gold right now at all. Pop up then down. It happened so quick I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it. Buys, yeah. Oh yeah, look. I'm still I'm not like heavily into buys, but if gold was to push up, it would be from a daily support. Like if it's an area where it was gonna bounce up from, a daily support is a great area. I'm still in the sells, then just ignore what I said. Don't worry. Just ignore it. Mute me. Don't worry about it. Just ignore it. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, thanks for joining and keeping me company as always. Today's stream was fueled by mint ginger and honey with lime juice. I think Sweet Lick said her TP was 43.72. 43.72, right? If I remember correctly. I'm not gonna scroll all the way back. I think that's what she said. I think that's what she said. But yeah, guys, peace out. Yes, guys, join the Discord. We in there. Come through. We litty. Yep, 0.00 level on the fib. There you go. Yeah. Alright, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for jolts. Peace out, gang.